This short video will show some quick tips for searching in Summon, the library's database with access to journal articles, books, DVDs, newspapers, and other resources. With the Summon tab highlighted, enter your keywords in the search box and press Enter. Searching for just the term assisted suicide brings up over 19,000 results. Thankfully, we do have the limiters on the left-hand side of the screen, such as content type, like a book or journal article, as well as peer review to limit to peer-reviewed articles. This is one way to help us narrow down our search results. Another tip for limiting the number of search results you see is to put your keyword phrase in quotation marks. This looks for the entire string of words rather than each individual word, and therefore all the results presented include the exact phrase assisted suicide. This has dropped our number of search results by several thousand. Another tip to help you limit your search further is to use a plus sign in front of a keyword to ensure that word is included in the search results along with your original keywords. In this example, I put the plus sign in front of elderly and Colorado, and now I have only 8 search results. One last tip is to use the minus sign in the same way. Here the minus sign is in front of psychiatric illness to ensure I'm not getting any results with that word or phrase. This has reduced my number of search results from over 15,000 to less than 2,000. I hope these quick tips are useful in your searching and help you get the best results possible from Summon.